Tavuk by Dittmann in size 65 by 50 cm squares. We've got the chosen special beads as part of the promo of free special beads. The chosen one is electric diamonds, and what we recommend is to sprinkle the electric diamonds in the background, in the white background. There are also some areas that are white, and this is mainly that feather that's coming out from her chin, and there's also another feather that's kind of peeking through her forehead. So simply place the electric diamonds, sprinkle it in all those white areas to give this a nice glow.